It's the fan. It's whatever's making the fan move. It's heating back up. Big racket. I open it. It stops. Today is Wednesday, November 16th, 5:20 p.m. It's been doing this ever since we've got the oven. Double oven.
Why are you making